everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to know top points to save battery life in an iPhone. Without any delay, let's get started. First point is turn on auto brightness because most of the battery is consumed by display. If we turn on the auto brightness, definitely we will notice a good battery life compared to switching off auto brightness. Next point is auto lock. If we turn on auto lock, display will automatically turn off within 30 seconds or 1 minute. Without auto lock, display always stay awake or stay more time and it may cause more battery life. Next point is dark mode. If you turn on dark mode, black area pixels goes to sleep. By switching off them, we can definitely notice a better battery life compared to without dark mode. But there is a problem. This result shown only in an OLED panels instead of IPS. Next point is turning off location service because location service is always working in background when you are not even using the phone. By that unnecessary usage, you may consume more battery life. My suggestion is to turn off location service to save more battery life and turn on when you need it. Next point is please turn on Wi-Fi instead of cellular network. When you have both facilities, max avoid using mobile data because mobile data consumes more battery life compared to Wi-Fi. Next point is turning on low power mode. When your battery is below 20%, you can switch it on to stay more time. This feature definitely saves your battery when you are in critical situation to charge your phone. Next point is turning on aeroplane mode. When you are in journey with a weak signal reception, your iPhone always try to get a signal from nearby towers. This attempt will definitely consumes more battery, so my suggestion is to turn on aeroplane mode when you are in journey and when you don't have any important calls. At that time, it saves your battery a lot and your battery also charge a little bit fast when you are in aeroplane mode. Next most common point is turning on Bluetooth. When you are not using any Bluetooth device, make sure to turn off Bluetooth. It may definitely save your battery little bit. Next and last point is to clear all the recent tabs when you are not using it because your iPhone will take rest instead of keeping it in memory.